Hey guys, it's Iridian. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So for those who don't know, I'm doing a giveaway, so if you would like to enter, you still can. Just go check out my last video that I uploaded for the giveaway rules, but after this video. The link will be down in the description box. Today I have this really pretty smoky purple eye makeup look for you. It's really easy and really simple to recreate. I hope you like it, and if you do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let's get started. Today I'm starting with my eye makeup look first. I usually do my foundation, but decided to switch it up. To prime, I'm using Urban Decay's Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Next, I'll put some tape to make a more clean and precise look. Make sure they are even. I'm using Tarte's Tarte's Pro palette today, and I'm taking No Filter and placing it on my crease and working my way up to the brow bone. I'm using a Sigma tapered blending brush. Now I will take Drama and place it on my crease. With a Real Techniques brush, I'll be going back and forth, making the color more intense. Now I'm taking this really pretty lavender color from MAC called Frost, and I'll place it on my eyelid with an e.l.f. brush. I'm taking Drama again to darken up the crease again. And doing the same thing with No Filter. At the same time, this helps smoothing everything out. Now I'll remove the piece of tape. For my lower lash line, I will be placing Mod and Drama. Next, for eyeliner, I'll be using Maybelline's Eye Studio. I'll be making a very thin line, no wing. For mascara, I will apply Revlon's Mega Multiplier on both upper and lower lashes. To color correct, I will use Urban Decay's Green Color Corrector and place a few dots wherever I have redness and discoloration. And with the Beauty Blender, I will blend it out. For foundation today, I'll be using MAC Studio Fix. I'm in the shade NC30. This is a great foundation. It has good coverage and it's buildable. Great for any event like prom, for example. With the Beauty Blender, I blend it out. To spot conceal, I'll be taking MAC's Pro Longwear Concealer. I love this concealer. It really does cover up everything and it lasts the whole day. To lock everything in, I will be using Maybelline's Master Fix Loose Setting Powder. I'll apply this all over my face using a MAC powder brush. It got in my mouth and eyes. To contour, I will use Anastasia's Contour Kit in light to medium and apply this color right here on my cheekbones. I find it harder to contour with powder. I like using a liquid substance instead, but powder gives you that matte finish at the end. For blush, I'm using Lancome's blush in the color Blushing Nude. I love this color. It's soft, but it's buildable. To highlight, I'm using Maybelline's Master Chrome in Molten Gold. I love this highlighter. It's amazing. It goes on smoothly and it lasts forever. I'll apply it right here. Down my nose, the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, and brow bone. For lips, I'm using this Clinique lipstick in the color Nude Pop. Then on top, but only in the center, I will place Amore Shine from Milani. Then I decided to make my lips a bit darker, so I went in with Dolce Vita from NARS. So this is it for today's makeup look. I hope you liked it. It's really simple and easy to recreate. And don't forget to check out my last video for the giveaway rules if you would like to enter. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Alright, I'll see you in my next video next week. Bye!